What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jamaal from the Pinn Center, Fairfax County Neighborhood and Community Service, coming to you for NCS Summer Live. My assistants for today?
Mr. Will from James Lee Community Center.
And I'm Miss Janet from Providence Community Center.
Today's activity is going to be called My Identity. It is a self-awareness activity to build positive self-esteem. So here's how the game is played. We have 6 cards that are laid on the floor with a designated number to the corresponding die. Our statements for today is a place I'd rather be, I am, I enjoy, I can, if I had one wish, and I am learning to. So we'll get the music started and we'll get it going. Number 3. Roll yourself, Will.
Oh man. Okay, so I'm learning to be more self-aware.
Very good. All right. Number 5.
Oh, that's me, number 5. So, number 5's placemat says I can. So, I can do everything that I've set my mind to. Okay, here we go. Love that ball. It just likes to roll and roll.
That's a good die right there. Number 4.
Number 4.
There we go.
If I had one wish, I would be courtside at a Lakers game.
Hey!
Yay!
Number 2. The number 2 placemat says place I'd rather be right now. One place that I would rather be right now would be out on a boat with a line in the water catching some fish. Rolled myself. Number 1, the placemat says I am. I would say I am a courageous person. I can do anything I set my mind to.
Yeah.
Here, Miss Janet.
Come on, 6. Come on,
6.
6. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So number 6 placemat says I enjoy. So I enjoy being outside and doing outside activities and being in the fresh air.
Nice. So this is the activity, My Identity. It can be played between 2 and 6 participants. If you do not have a music device to walk around the circle, you can actually snap, clap, or sing with the other participants involved. The game will continue to be played until each placemat has been stepped on, each number has been rolled, and each participant has a chance to go. Again, this is a self-awareness activity to build positive self-esteem in all participants. This is NCS Summer Live. Checking out.